Welcome to Made in Western New York, Advanced Manufacturing in Action. This is part of a campaign where we are highlighting the great manufacturing companies we have throughout the Western New York region, the amazing products they produce, the incredible career opportunities that are available in manufacturing, and we're discussing how manufacturers are working with Dream It Do It Western New York to reach into schools and connect with students and teachers in an effort to build the talent pipeline. I am Todd Tranum, and I'm your host. I serve as president of Dream It Do It Western New York, which is an initiative powered by the Buffalo Niagara Manufacturers Alliance and the Manufacturers Association of the Southern Tier. Today we're at MOOG, located in Elma, New York, and I'm here with Jared Threat, Community Outreach Manager. Jared, tell us a little bit about what MOOG manufactures.
Yeah, thank you, Todd. Nice to be with you and to kind of share what we're doing here at MOOG. MOOG does a lot. We're broken down over a few operating groups, our military aircraft, our commercial aircraft, our space and defense unit, and our industrial group unit. Across those industries, we manufacture a lot of different equipment for our end user. In our commercial, Boeing, Airbus, we make parts that you fly in, so that's your flight controls, your wing controls, your engine controls, and we do the same thing in our military aircraft vehicles. But we're also playing a lot in space as well too. So when you think about protecting our people here, you're also thinking about protecting space as well too. So a lot of space actuation, a lot of flight controls. We have parts on roller coasters. We have parts on medical devices. We have parts kind of everywhere. And I like to think the best way to describe ourselves is if it moves, we probably had a hand in it. So if you need something that has to move at a high frequency and being reliable, we probably manufacture that here in Western New York.
Okay, great. A lot of exciting things going on here at MOOG, and it's kind of fun to think about, when you're up there and in the air on an airplane, that there are parts in that plane that are made right here in Western New York with the skilled workforce you have here.
And I'll tell you that.
Talent.
Yeah, I'll add on to that. Me being a nervous flyer has helped me tremendously, knowing that all the quality control checks and the precision that we have to have for these vehicles, because we obviously want to make sure that they're 100% safe, and that even when parts are coming back based on our repair business, that we're giving our customers that product back without any bugs or defects.
Okay. So tell me a little bit about your role with MOOG, how you got into that role, and then some of the other career opportunities that are available here at MOOG.
Sure. So my title is Community Outreach Manager, and so in my role, which is a new role to MOOG, my role is really focused on sharing all the good things that we do to your kindergarten through your 12th grade students. And so we recognize that our company is expanding and we're growing, but we need to be able to communicate with the next generation and the next workforce to let them know the capabilities that we need and where we are going as an organization. And so in my role is to build partnerships not only with school districts and workforce development partners, but it's also to let parents, students, and educators know of all the potential that we have here.
So you play a really important role here at MOOG, and as you know, and I think our audience really needs to understand, we have a desperate need in the manufacturing sector to build our workforce, and an important part of that is reaching into our schools and communicating with these kids and educators, about the careers that are right here in our backyard. So related to that, could you talk to us a little bit about the interaction between MOOG, our Dream It Do It Western New York initiative, which is about connecting kids with manufacturers?
A sign of a great partnership is obviously both sides working together for a common goal. And I think what really excited MOOG about Dream It Do It was when we looked at your mission and the work that you're doing, especially in the Southern Tier, it really mirrored and matched what we wanted to do with our outreach program. I think in the partnership, we've been able to identify maybe some core schools that really focus on the disciplines that we want to better push into those schools to build a better and longer partnership, and that has been tremendous for us. I think just the overall communication and the identification on like what schools are performing well, where we need to be, has been really, really good for us as an organization, not only to learn where we need to be, but also understand the needs of the students that we talk to. I think our partnership overall is going to lead us to that next generation in the workforce, specifically doing some of the technology and the manufacturing that we need. And I think more to come on this partnership, but I think in my time in this role, it has been really, really fruitful.
Thank you, and you've been great partners in helping us really expand the initiative and the level of participation you've had with some of the programming we've put together. We really appreciate. So as you're aware, we've built into Dream It Do It Western New York a certification, the Dream It Do It Advanced Manufacturing Program, and it's a system where we can provide students who enroll with us with electronic badges for participating in a variety of programming through us, as well as identifying tech-related programming they're doing in their schools. And as a manufacturer, you're also part of that platform. So as we recruit students in and they earn these badges, as an employer, you can start to build those connections, those really important connections with students through that platform. How important is it to MOOG that we have designed in partnership with industry, with students and educators, kind of a homegrown regional certification to be able to highlight the young talent in Western New York?
Yeah, I think it's super important. I think anytime you're able to share your competency, especially at a time frame where you're in high school, right? There's not a ton of paid internships. There's not a ton of things that kids can do. But I think this will set a student apart just from someone else not being a part of it, if that makes sense. Like, we trust that through this certification, through this program, that they're doing the things that we want them to do from a company standpoint. And I think from a partnership standpoint, it's been really nice for us to be at the table, like checking in with Dream It Do It to make sure, does this program meet the needs of us as an organization? I think that's been great. Think about it, you're coming out of school with a certificate, and you're able to kind of use that in the workforce immediately. And I think we've seen some kids from some of the local schools around come out from high school right into our organization, and that's been a really, really good selling point, not only for us to continue a partnership like this, but also to hopefully put a battery in Dream and Do It back to kind of continue and kind of push forward with not only us as an organization, but other manufacturing organizations around.
Yeah, and the collaboration with industry in this is incredibly important, and creating those connections. And within it too, really part of our goal is to shine a light on these kids they're doing good things, right? And to sort of validate that if they're interested in a career in a trade or a manufacturing career pathway, that's great, and there's a lot of opportunity. And I think it's important that we celebrate those students, and we appreciate MOOG being with us on that journey of identifying these kids, celebrating them, and then getting them connected.
Yeah, I think to hammer that point home is, every kid isn't going to go to a 4-year school, get their doctorate. However, that doesn't mean like having a career in manufacturing couldn't be fruitful. You can earn a great living wage, you can support a family. And we want people to know that whatever perceptions you may have around the industry or the job, that's not the case. And I think the more and more we work together with companies like yours, Todd, we're breaking down those preconceived notions of like what manufacturing is, and really giving students a peek behind the curtain about what a day in the life is at working at MOOG, right? Like, what does that mean? And it's like, you're coming in here, this is state-of-the-art equipment, you're leaving clean. It's like we're not leaving home dirty and things like that. It's like really, really great stuff, really great equipment, and we're trying to really meet students where they are and kind of give them that visual.
So if and you've been a rock star at this in terms of coming to some of our presentations and talking to students. To our audience and to the students and parents and educators out there, what is the message you would share with them about manufacturing careers, and why it's so important that they consider these pathways?
Yeah, that's a great question. I think sometimes when I talk with students and they ask me questions about just what a career could look like, a lot of times they don't see themselves in a role like that. And I think it's about connecting maybe sometimes what they're already good at and like opening them up to the possibility they can apply those things, those skills to a career like this. So I would say the message coming from me and MOOG is like, explore, like go to Northland, go to talk to Dream It Do It, and kind of see if you can get a peek behind the hood at some of these organizations to see if you can see yourself in that company. Yeah,
and you make a good point. There's a lot of opportunities now for students to get training in our region, 100%. Right? The Northland Training Facility, they're doing amazing things there. There's shorter term certificates, so if a student wants to get into the workforce quickly, they can do that. In fact, they partnered with you and MOOG and some other employers on a deburring program. Can you share a little bit?
Yeah, we started finishing the deburring program at Northland a few years ago, really based on a need that we got from the business. This is an entry-level-ish role, but we didn't have a direct pipeline in from, I would say, someone who was maybe unemployed or wanted a career change into manufacturing. And so we work with Northland to build curriculum, and we send our employees there to train on site for 12 weeks. And at that 12 weeks, they come here and get immersed in our culture and our workforce here. And so that program has been great. I think over the last 2 cohorts, we've hired about 12 students coming in from there. One quick highlight is we had a young lady who thought she'd be going to nail school and be a nail tech, and she saw a communication around this program, decided to apply, and she was a rock star. And after 12 weeks, she was hired, and she's doing wonderful in our organization. Yeah. And the skills that she had doing nails, checking for quality, things like that, really is helping her in her role here at MOOG.
So I think it's an exciting time to be working on this. Yeah. It certainly has its challenges.
Yeah.
Manufacturing can, sometimes have its challenges, but that's what it's all about, right? Problem solving, working together, collaborating, partnering, figuring out how to solve these issues.
West New York, they say Buffalo's a city of good neighbors, and I think what you see here is you see a handful of companies, and then you see a handful of educational partners, nonprofits like yours, Todd, kind of coming together and recognizing that, like, hey, this is a need that we all have a need for. Mm-hmm. How can we best work together in the buckets that we are in to kind of make sure that we can benefit the whole region? And I think we're aligned that it's a lot of work, but I think it's beneficial work and it's valuable work for our region here. And so MOOG is happy to have a seat at the table here, helping not only Dream It Do It, but our other partners around Western New York as well too.
Thank you for watching Made in Western New York, Advanced Manufacturing in Action. We ask you to join us in building the talent pipeline of Western New York and strengthening the economy of this great place that we call home. So go to DIDIWNY.com. Again, that is DIDIWNY.com, and join with us today.